launching a blistering attack on the Congress-AAP alliance in the poll-bound Haryana. The Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini has questioned the intentions of Congress party after wrestlers and Olympic wrestlers Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia have joined the Congress party. He also said that every individual has their own opinion about which ideology they want to be associated with. He in fact asked that the Congress party to clarify its intention behind this. Congress has released the first list of 32 candidates in Haryana. Meanwhile, Vinesh Fogart will contest from Julana constituency and Bajrang Punia has been appointed as the working chairperson of the Kisan Congress. Let's in fact now listen in to what the Haryana Chief Minister has said.
नाम के ऊपर राजनीति करते हैं और देखिए ये अलग अलग व्यक्ति का अपना मत होता है किस विचार के साथ जुड़ना है। कांग्रेस इस बात को स्पष्ट करे कि उसकी मंशा क्या है, उसकी सोच क्या है। कांग्रेस की सोच आदरणीय मोदी जी ने जो भी फैसले किए हैं देश हित के अंदर किए हैं, एक भी ऐसा फैसला नहीं है जिसका विरोध कांग्रेस ने न किया हो। और अब तो हद ही पार हुई है। कांग्रेस इस बात को स्पष्ट करे क्योंकि ये लोग कांग्रेस के ये कभी खिलाड़ियों के नाम के ऊपर राजनीति करते हैं, कभी सैनिकों के नाम के ऊपर राजनीति करते हैं, कभी किसानों के नाम के ऊपर राजनीति करते हैं, कभी युवाओं के नाम के ऊपर राजनीति करते हैं, परंतु ये करते कुछ नहीं है। उनके नाम के ऊपर झूठ बोल करके राजनीति करने का काम करते हैं। मेरे हरियाणा के देश की आर्मी में 10% हमारे हरियाणा के युवा है। देखिए ये अलग अलग व्यक्ति का अपना मत होता है किस विचार के साथ जुड़ना है।
All right, joining me on the broadcast at this point of time is my colleague Mehndi. Mehndi, what exactly Vinesh Fogart's political plunge to, being contested from Haryana, especially in the Julana Assembly constituency, signals out to be? Because as we can understand at this point of time, Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini has openly slammed both the Congress and the AAP for having asking Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia to become a part of the poll strategy for Haryana, and also asking them to issue a clarification behind this motive.
Well, yes, Simran, amid all the controversies on the ticket distribution for the Haryana Assembly elections, yesterday we all saw that how big developments came when the Olympians Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia joined Congress party, and after that the war of words have started between both the parties, and now Vinesh Fogart will contest the elections for Haryana from the Congress party from Julana constituency. And however, if we talk about Bajrang Punia, then Bajrang Punia has been made the chairman of the Indian Kisan Congress. So yes, over these developments, Bharatiya Janata Party is in an attacking mode right now, and they're asking the Congress party's thought behind this, and they're saying that this party, as in the Congress, is doing politics on the names of the athletes, on the names of the farmers, the soldiers, and the players. And if we talk about Nayab Singh Saini, the Chief Minister of Haryana, who we heard right now, that he said that it is, the person's opinion and the ideology they want to associate with. When the question was asked to him about Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia's joining the Congress party, and also he has questioned the Grand Old Party's intention, Simran, behind the move, and he has said that Congress should clarify its intention behind this. And also, Prime Minister Modi has always taken decisions in the national interest, but Congress has always opposed all of its decisions, all of the nation interest decisions. So they should clarify. As a Nayab Singh Saini has asked the Congress party to clarify that why do they do politics on players, soldiers and farmers. And if we talk about intentions of the Congress party, Simran, then this can be a master stroke of the Congress's party for the Haryana elections to give the tickets to Vinesh Fogart, because right now after the Olympics and the mishap that we all seen in the Olympics, that she didn't get the medal, and how she was disqualified from the matches. So after that, a lot of sympathy from Haryana from all around Julana also, and her hometown also. So a lot of sympathy and a lot of support is there with Vinesh Phogat right now in Haryana. So yes, this can be a masterstroke for the Congress party, and it can be a setback for the Bharatiya Janata Party. But the war of words and the political war has been started between both the parties.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.